Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this Veesun file organizer to go ahead and review for my new office, and I absolutely love it. This thing is metal, it's made of mesh on the sides so I can see through it. It's light, but also really heavy duty. This thing is a solid file organizer. A couple neat little things about it. One, it actually has curved edges, so they're not sharp. They won't go ahead and they won't scratch up your desk. Nice and curved, you won't hurt yourself on them. I can't tell you how many file organizers I've actually jammed my fingers on, my hands on, and actually like cut myself. Two, assembly is really easy. There's just 4 bolts, 2 here and 2 at the bottom, and that holds it all together, and it just kind of hinged together. And I want you to see how durable and sturdy this thing is. So as you can see, this file organizer actually holds a whole bunch. I have 7 different shelves, and then I have a shelf on top. And I can put stuff on here because it's plenty sturdy. If I want to put a coffee mug up there, that's fine. But if I go ahead and want to put some books up there, that's fine too. It's nice and sturdy, and I can kind of stack things on top of this. Again, no rounded top, nice and flat, nice and sturdy. As you can see, I've got a great big thick file here. This is just all papers. These are all just family medical records right there. Let's see here. We have some adoption stuff for pets. I have some other, this is school stuff. And I want you to also see, these are wide enough for an 8.5 by 11 folder, plus a little bit of extra space. So if you have something a little wider or some paper sticking out the side, they will fit in here. I can actually put books on here. I've got some magazines. I have one that I haven't used yet. And then way down here, you can see I actually have like things like business cards and labels and paper and even some filing pads. So all of that is here. You can move it around if you need to. I like the fact that I can put a whole bunch of stuff onto this and still have plenty of space for more. Again, I got 7 different slots plus the top. One more neat feature. Let's say I have something thick and I really want to put it in there, but oh, I can't quite fit it. No problem. The way this works is I can go ahead and move things around, and I can actually take out a shelf, and then I can put thicker things in here, just like that. Look at that. So it actually has some flexibility to it. It has some things that I can actually do that a lot of other file organizers are just solid pieces of metal or solid pieces of plastic, and you don't have this flexibility. When I'm done with this, or maybe I don't need this anymore, I pop it out, and I go ahead and I put this right back in, slides in, but it's nice and tight. Once it's in there, it's fairly secure. That looks great. So as you can see, it's sturdy, it looks good, it's nice and black, it fits in with the monitor, it fits in with my desk. It is a very, very sturdy, quality file organizer. I really highly recommend this.